बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 2 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में सुई सदन गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। सुई सदन गैस कंपनी लिमिटेड आर लीडिंग पब्लिक सेक्टर utility company in Pakistan is looking to fill the following specialized positions with qualified, experienced and dynamic professionals who can add value to the organization's process. Serial number position, minimum qualification and experience. Serial number 1 position, lead manager, assist maintenance and projects, job code 8405-01. Admin service engineering graduate, civil from a PEC recognized university with at least 9 years of post qualification experience, preferably in oil and gas sector. Number 2, senior engineer, asset maintenance and projects, job code 8406-01. Engineering graduate, civil from a PEC recognized university with at least 4 years of post qualification experience, preferably in oil and gas sector. 3, manager travel management, job code 8401-01. MBA with at least 4 years of experience or master 16 years of education with at least 8 years of experience, preferably in oil and gas sector. Number 4, senior engineer, civil works, job code 8408-01. Engineering graduate, civil from a PEC recognized university with at least 4 years of post qualification experience, preferably in oil and gas sector. Sales 5, engineer, new connections, job code 8409-01. Engineering graduate, preferably in mechanical/electrical/mechatronics from a PEC recognized university with at least 2 years of experience. Interested candidates are encouraged to visit our website https://www.ssgc.com.pk/career/for details/job description and to apply online within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Shortlisting and selection shall be on merit based only. The above positions carry market competitive compensation package. SSGCL is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. एक और जॉब है वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट. A well reputed company engaged in manufacturing/developing ICT equipment/solution is looking for highly motivated skilled professionals in the following disciplines. Description: senior software developer, qualifications BA/MS and CS/IT/BE computer or equivalent. Eligibility: experience minimum 4 years of experience in desktop/web based app development, knowledge of reliable framework MVC and ASP.NET Core API and microservices development, hybrid and native mobile app development, foreign training on MFCC, algo customization and machine learning. Embedded engineer BE/MS in electrical/computer engineering, experience minimum 2 years of experience as hardware design engineer in HTC, VHDL and Verilog, DSP, C++, MATLAB, Linux GNU radio platforms, hands-on experience of implementing DSP algorithms or on FPGAs, design and development of communication protocol and interfaces, web firmware, writing of RF boards, MMI and radio control board and associated development tools. IT expert/data center engineer BS/BE in software/IT computer experience, minimum 1 year of experience in installation of enterprise data centers, installation of small to medium enterprise level IP networks, configuration and maintenance of Windows servers and Active Directory, configuration and commissioning of IT equipment. Cyber Security Engineer MS in Information Security / Cyber Security or BS/BE in Electrical / Computer / Telecom Software. Experience minimum 1 year of experience in understanding of crypto algorithms, cryptographic standards and protocols using any development platform, design security solutions. Network Engineer BE/MS in Networking / Telecommunications / IT. And experience minimum 1 year of experience in CCNP or higher, CCIE/CISSP understanding of network protocols, EGIP, SCC, HSRP, BGP, OSPF 82802, QoS understanding of OSI or TCP/IP model with monitoring, network diagnostic and network analytics tools. Electronic Designing and Development Engineer BE/MS in Electrical / Electronics / Computer. Experience minimum 1 year of experience in designing, inspecting, testing, understanding of digital, analog, electronics concepts and programming languages. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा C++. PCB डिज़ाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर IE, LTM, Proteus. ऐसे नाम मुझे तो भाई नहीं पता, मैं इतनी टेक्निकल नहीं हूँ. नेटवर्क ये मैकेनिकल / मैकाट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर BE/MS in मैकेनिकल / मैकाट्रॉनिक्स और इक्विवेलेंट. एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 3 years of experience in reputed mechanical industry with expertise in medical assembly. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसका आप लोग एक्सपीरियंस का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. Assist Executive Engineer BE/MS in Electrical / Electronics / Telecom. Experience minimum 2 years of experience in reputed electronic industry R&D house with expertise in RF test equipment testing and troubleshooting of PCBs and units of communication projects. Associate Engineer DAE in Electrical / Electronics / Telecom / Mechanical Technology or NCO / retired from Armed Forces / Civil sectors. Experience minimum 5 years of experience in reputed industries with expertise in instrumentation, testing equipment, troubleshooting and repair of electronic equipment, preferably in radio frequency field. Technician NCO / retired from Armed Forces. Experience minimum 8 years of experience in repair of radio equipment. Technical computer teacher female bachelor's. Experience minimum 2 years of experience in freelancer / e-commerce / drop shipping expert. Embroidery teacher female bachelor's. Experience minimum 3 years of experience in embroidery stitching adda work. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions in of previous disciplinary action. Number 2, only shortlisted candidates will be called for test / interview. No TA/DA shall be admissible for test / interview. Computer competent authority have right to increase or decrease the number of posts or cancel the whole process without assigning any reason. Candidates are required to clearly mention on the top right corner of envelope about the applied position. Eligible candidates can only apply through https://career635.com.pk and forward printed application form along with CV and complete educational / experience certificates on PO Box number 635 GPO Rawalpindi. The applications must reach on or before 18th February 2025 https://career635.com.pk PO Box number 635 GPO Rawalpindi. अच्छा जी, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव की कुछ जॉब्स हैं वो बता देती हूँ. LMT and Mars ग्रेजुएट इन मार्केटिंग 3 to 5 years एक्सपीरियंस. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन: coordinate with purchaser for routine sales operation, update with competitive brand activities, BA sales record, stall activity record, make monthly team costing and monthly activity costing follow with new marts, make connection with national level mart distribution to increase reach of brand. Email careers at maildairy.com. Required site area based plastic manufacturing companies looking for store manager. Experienced person will be preferred. Relevant person should contact on 0331755007 0331755007। ज़रूरत है हमारे इदारे को आर्मी से रिटायर्ड सूबेदार, नाइब सूबेदार, सूबेदार मेजर, लांस नाइक, नाइक हवलदार और सिपाही की ज़रूरत है। ख्वाहिशमंद उम्मीदवार रब्ता करें 0300 8254487 0300 8254487। Gynecology/pharmaceuticals manufacturing company required following staff for Lahore, Faisalabad, Gujranwala, Sialkot, Karachi, Sakhal, Ladkana, Rawalpindi and Peshawar। KPK number 1 business unit head, LHR number 2 area sales manager, number 3 territory managers, male/female, experience specialized in gynae products. We are offering handsome salary package with lucrative benefits. Send CV with photograph by 10th Feb 2025 at pharmaceuticalcareer@gmail.com pharmaceuticalcareer@gmail.com। छीपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए लड़कों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर के शोबा अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में छीपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए मैट्रिक पास नौजवान लड़कों की ज़रूरत है जो कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर भी हों। पुरकशिश पैकेज दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी, एक अदद हालिया पासपोर्ट साइज़ की तस्वीर और मुकम्मल कवाइफ के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। नोट: ओरिजिनल शनाख्ती कार्ड, ओरिजिनल तालीमी असनाद, तालीमी सर्टिफिकेट और दीगर ओरिजिनल असनाद इंटरव्यू के वक्त अपने साथ लाजमी तौर पर ज़रूर लेकर आएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 1020 छीपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शहराए फैसल, कराची। छीपा वेलफेयर को ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर के शोबे अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी के हमरा इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 1020 छीपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शहराए फैसल, कराची। नौजवान कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर्स लड़कों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर को बड़ी तादाद में नौजवान तजुर्बाकार कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर्स लड़कों की ज़रूरत है जो इंटरनेट पर सर्चिंग और ब्राउजिंग का काम स्पीड के साथ करने की मुकम्मल महारत रखते हों। दरख्वास्त CV शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी, एक अदद हालिया पासपोर्ट साइज़ की तस्वीर और मुकम्मल कवाइफ के हमरा इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। नोट: ओरिजिनल शनाख्ती कार्ड, ओरिजिनल तालीमी सर्टिफिकेट और दीगर ओरिजिनल असनाद इंटरव्यू के वक्त अपने साथ लाजमी तौर पर ज़रूर लेकर आएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 1020 छीपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल शहराए फैसल, कराची। POL पाकिस्तान ऑयल फीड्स लिमिटेड करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी। पाकिस्तान ऑयल फीड्स लिमिटेड are leading oil and gas exploration and production companies looking for result-oriented, professional and self-motivated individual for the following position: manager, internal audit. To view job description and apply online, please visit http://jobs.parkoil.com.pk. Only applications received online will be considered. The deadline for applications is February 9, 2025. Only shortlisted candidates will be conducted. Pakistan Oil Fields Limited, POL House, Morga, Rawalpindi. Kisan Support Services PVT Limited, KSSL, a subsidiary of ZT BL. Job opportunities: KSSL, a wholly owned subsidiary company of Zarai Taraqqiyati Bank Limited, required services of manager, senior manager, internal audit and junior/assistant manager internal audit at its head office 0 Point, Islamabad. All interested candidates may visit our website www.kssl.ztbl.com.pk for detailed job specifications and instructions on how to apply for the said positions. Ahead HR department, किसान सपोर्ट सर्विसेज पीवीटी लिमिटेड, रूम नंबर 1114, मेन बिल्डिंग ZTBL हेड ऑफिस, 1 फैसल एवेन्यू, 0 पॉइंट, इस्लामाबाद, अर्बन, पाकिस्तान। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।